coagulative type of necrosis. Now, this specimen is that of placental tissue, which shows the chorionic villi, the small chorionic villi. Those are chorionic villi. Higher magnification of that. This is more like, these are viable chorionic villi. Some are already somewhat starting coagulative necrosis. But there's an area where you see a ghost outline of those villi already. Ito. Compare this area here with this area here. This is more or less viable villi. This is coagulated villi. Villi which shows coagulative necrosis. Can you compare the two?
Nuclei.
The presence of the nuclei, especially this knob here, which we call syncytial knob. You don't see them anymore in this set of villi, because this is already coagulative necrosis of those villi. Okay? So that's coagulative necrosis. Last slide.